Hello, Namaste everyone. So today I promised you guys to start the class on 7 o'clock, okay, but I couldn't do that. So this video is for that I want to ask for the apology for because of promising you to start the class and I couldn't start it because my streaming software I was not able to connect my streaming software to my YouTube, so that's why I couldn't start the lecture, okay. That won't be an issue next time onwards. This was the first time, so I had that issue. So on 31st October, Sunday, we'll start these financial literacy classes. All the classes will be free. I won't charge anything. There won't be any tips. I'm telling you from now on. Okay. So whatever I will be doing, I'll be trying to educate everything that I know. I am working in this industry. I have a little experience. I want to tell you everything that truth about the market. Okay. So what is the real possibility that you can earn from the market? In which direction you need to move actually. So there are very disturbing videos in the YouTube. If you see the YouTubers post 30 lakhs profit, 60 lakhs, 50 lakhs, okay, 20 lakhs. So that is not whole true. Okay. So they are like stuntmans. They put the stunts, okay, to bring more and more customers to the attraction, okay. Then they will earn from them selling big huge courses, okay. So because of those things, I thought of starting a genuine channel. So this will be a very genuine thing, okay. I won't be charging anything. So just you can trust me because there will not be anything that will tell you to take my course, join this Telegram channel, this premium channel, okay. So I'll just tell you to join my Telegram channel for the next class updates only, okay. There will not be any premium classes. So basically my interest is to teach you everything about the financial market. Some people think this is a satta bazaar, okay, and they are not entirely wrong also, because if you don't have the proper knowledge and you are trying to buy and sell something, then you are just doing the satta thing, okay. You are just doing the gambling, okay. So there is a very difference between being a gambler, being a trader or investor. With proper knowledge and skills, you can be the investor and trader. So but the thing is, there is a harsh reality in the market, okay. People come here thinking they will earn 100%, 200% returns in just a month or 2 months, okay. So that is not entirely possible actually, okay. So last some months this was a bull rally after the corona. So some people have earned, okay, but in the coming time that will be possible always, so that is also not true, okay. But people are earning from the market every month 5 to 10%, okay. So that thing people are doing, okay, and they are not just any indisciplined stuntman YouTubers, okay. There are the people who are really earning in the market, and you cannot see them any YouTube videos, okay, and but they are doing it, okay. So here is the thing. I will tell you the truth about the market, how you can earn, where you should focus on. Okay. So my classes will be on the basics of the stock market, okay. So what is stock market? Why you need to invest in the market, okay. So how this works, and is it all regulated or not? If you can trust on the stock market and not, okay. So I'll teach everything about the basics, okay, because I have that I was lucky enough to get that chance to know about the market from a very closer point of view. So also I will teach you how to make a point of view. If you want to buy something, if you want to buy a stock, why you need to buy it, why you want to sell it. So you need to have a proper point of view. The point of view generally it can be from your analysis or someone else's analysis. Okay, but believe me, trust me, if you want to be in the market, you want to make a fortune, whether it can be for your retirement plan, whether it can be for your child's education or marriage plan, or any plan you have, okay, you need to learn. You need to learn yourself, not someone else's tips will work. Okay, or so everything you can ask me in this classes. Okay, anything, like if you can want to ask me whether you want to invest in the mutual fund, if it is all good or not. Okay, whether you should invest in the stock. Okay, everything you can ask me, because see, you are earning a month 20,000, suppose you are saving and you are keeping it in the bank. How much money you will earn after you will be making after 10 years? Okay, but I will after my first class you will know so how much you can earn by just putting it in the market, and if it is safe putting in the market or not. I will show you all the past data, you will see yourself. Okay, so my concept is to bring the truth. Okay, not some bogus stuffs. Okay, not some anything like just to disturb you. Okay, so I'll tell everything, the genuine things only. I'll teach the technical analysis, the fundamental analysis, the open interest data analysis, whatever that is needed to make you a investor or trader. So after my classes you will decide yourself whether you want to be a full-time trader or a investor. If you can spend your time before the screen at the time of the market, then you can be a trader. Okay, so if you cannot spend whole time in front of a screen, then you can be an investor, you can be a positional trader also. So attend my classes. Okay, so this is just some don't think it as any paid classes or something. I will not be asking for anything. Okay, this is all free, so just join with me. Okay, so yeah, thank you all, and on 31st October we'll have our first class. Yeah, till then, thank you. Let's meet on next Sunday. Namaskar.